Nature's Garden Hillbilly Homebrew Fragrance Oil. The aroma of mulled cider with woodsy notes of oak, cinnamon bark, and clove, with hints of wildberries. A Nature's Garden original fragrance. This scent makes our customers happier than a hog in a mud hole. We know, because it's a bestseller. Our customers create quaint products with this fragrance oil, including charming decorative candles and inviting room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.